What's up? It is Jordan from Buy 9 to 5 helping you say goodbye to your 9 to 5. And today I'm going to show you guys how you can move up the rankings very, very quickly and make a freaking lot of money in just a couple of days. The channel I'm going to show you guys is the one I was talking about the other day. And so we're going to kind of dive in more and show you what I was talking about there. And little side note, guys, I'm not trying to pretend this is my student. Some of you guys thought I was trying to pretend this was my student. The fact is, out of safety of this channel, I'm not going to claim ownership over the channel. I thought I made it pretty clear with my little smirks in the last video about who actually owns that channel, but I'm not going to risk the safety of Buy 9 to 5 by claiming any ownership to my friend or anyone else who may own the channel, okay? This was simply just a nice example of how you can grow a channel from pretty much nothing to something big in one day, okay? I already have other conspiracy channels. Of course, I didn't want to, risk the safety of that one by posting Alex Jones because I've gotten this a ton of times, okay? The question is, but this is Alex Jones, and how come the videos are gone now? Here's the thing. The videos are gone now because people are flagging it, okay? You need to keep in mind, this is Alex Jones, okay? He's all over the news right now. Everyone hates Alex Jones. Everyone knows that, okay? So, obviously, most of the time when you post a conspiracy video, the only people searching it are people that like conspiracy theories. In this case, though, tons of people that hate Alex Jones are also searching for Alex Jones. Why? So they can get on there, leave comments, bash Alex Jones, make fun of Alex Jones, and then flag the videos because everybody knows Alex Jones is no longer allowed on YouTube. So, in turn, everybody who looks up Alex Jones that hates Alex Jones is going to flag the Alex Jones video because they know that he's no longer allowed on YouTube, and it makes them feel better about their life if they can flag a video because they can say, haha, I hate Alex Jones, and screw you guys, everybody die. Okay? That is what I knew was going to happen, right? I knew that was going to happen. I knew it was going to get flagged. So basically, what was the goal? To make as much as you could, as quickly as you could, before before you got 3 strikes. Okay? So once you get to 2 strikes, what do? Yeah, private all the videos. Then you don't get a 3rd strike. Then you get to keep the channel. Duh. And then you wait till the strikes disappear. But I have other channels, so I don't really care. I mean, I just have this other channel just sitting there that I was really doing nothing with. And so what I wanted to do, or what my friend wanted to do, was, make as much as he could in one day. Knowing, and most of the time that's not going to be a thing. You're not going to get flagged because the people who like conspiracy videos are the ones looking for it. But in this case, everyone hates Alex Jones, and so everyone keeps saying, how come the channel doesn't have any videos anymore? Think about it. Think about it. Everybody's flagging the videos. I knew that was going to happen. Everybody knew that if there was an Alex Jones video up, everybody was going to flag it, okay? And it doesn't take very many flags to get reported to YouTube. And, of course, YouTube is going to agree with them because it's Alex Jones and he's so evil. So, anyways, the goal was to see how high I could build a channel with just a couple videos of Alex Jones. And, I mean, as you can see here, I'll show you. I posted this in the Facebook group here. Look at this. Watch time, 3 million. Okay, keep in mind. So, if you guys remember from the last video, there was 3 or 4 wrestler interviews on this channel, and that was like it, okay? That was like it. It had 1,000 subscribers, but they're not really probably, real subscribers or whatever. I didn't actually build that part, so I'm not really sure. And so, as you can see here, obviously, 3 million minutes of watch time, guys. That's 50 hours, okay? That's 50 hours. Okay, average duration, 5 minutes, 40 seconds. And then this is pretty much off one video. I mean, there were 3 or 4 other videos that ended up getting flagged and privated within, a day. And those only had 20, 30,000 views apiece on them, probably. But that one video had 500 some thousand before my friend privated it. Views, only 540,000 made $1,745. $1,745 off of 540,000 views. So all the time, people are like, oh, you only get $2 per 1,000 views. So how are you making this much money? It's called putting more ads up. it's called okay. Most YouTubers only have 2 ads a video, maybe 3. Mine had 15. And do you think that stopped people from watching? No, the average duration is still 5 minutes and 40 seconds. But guess what happened? The click-through rate was like 20% because I had 15 ads. Do people complain? Yeah. Does it matter? No, because no one knows who I am or who my friend is or whoever made the video, whoever the frick posted the frickin' video. So that's why I say put an ad a minute, dude. If you put an ad a minute, guess what? They're going to click on one of them either because it's interesting or because they accidentally click the X when they're trying to hit the little thing on the bottom. One way or another, they're going to click the ad. And as you can tell, 540,000 views in a couple days, which wasn't that hard to get, got $1,745 that somebody is going to get in their bank account. Whoop-de-doo-dah. So, you know, that was kind of the goal. I knew that it was going to get flagged. You know, the goal was put up a bunch of Alex Jones videos, see how much money I can make, see how many subscribers I can gain, because guess what happens now? Now, I just wait. I can either, or my friend can either post, like, you know, post videos that he knows is not going to get flagged or whatever, or he can wait till all the strikes disappear, and then guess what? He's now got, at this point, it's like over 9,000, maybe a little less than 9,000 subscribers now. And so next time you post a video, guess what? It's automatically going to get help getting up the rankings because now went from having pretty much no conspiracy fans on that channel to 9,000 conspiracy fans. So now every time you post a video, you're going to get most of those 9,000 subscribers to watch it. So basically, you know, not only did that make $1,745, but also, you know, it gained a bunch of subscribers that are fans of that content. So next time you post a video about that content, guess what? A lot of people are going to end up watching it because, you know, so that's a big thing is that, you know, you got your subscribers up that are fans of that content. So next time you post a video, you're going to get a bunch of views. It's going to help the rankings on that next video you post, all from one video pretty much. I mean, 3 million minutes of watch time, guys. That's 50 hours in literally August 6th at night and then 2 days after that. And that's it. And August 9th hasn't been counted yet, but it was up for a while on August 9th too. So this will hit 2,000. This will hit 2,000 pretty much on one video. And so, as you can see here as well, 9,475 shares. That is a surprising number to me. That's really freaking high for shares. But when you think about it, conspiracy fans are really, really into sharing things and commenting. As you can tell, whether you hated Alex Jones or whether you loved Alex Jones, you had a comment about Alex Jones. So 9,735 comments, okay? Like I said, this was just an example, okay? And so, yeah, so that really helped the rankings. I mean, 9,475 shares, 9,735 comments. Yeah, 7,557 subscribers there. Yeah, so that's a big deal, dude. I mean, that's a big deal. Over $2,000 is what's going to end up being, but man, 3 million. I mean, 32,000 likes, only 2,900 dislikes. So that tells you what most of the people on YouTube think about this whole thing to begin with. But guys, here's the thing. Alex, here's the thing. Oh, I'm not on YouTube, duh. Okay. What's cool is that video ended up having over 500,000. Okay, so this looks different than it did before. Wow. Actually, yeah, dude, this was all CNN. Okay, so, well, yeah, there's a lot of people making videos about this now. So if you try to do it now, it's probably not going to work as well because it's pretty oversaturated now. You need to get in right when something's hot. And that's the main thing. That is definitely the main thing. This guy's naked. That's weird. Yeah, see, but for a long time, this video was on the top, and mine was above, or my friend, WWE Shoots, or he was above it, okay? So WWE Shoots was above the CNN video at the very top of the rankings. So it was like that video and then CNN and other news and then other videos. And so yeah. And how did that work so well? Well, it's because I used a thumbnail like this, okay? It was him, like, and that's where a lot of people struggle, the thumbnail. They pick bad thumbnails, okay? You can't just pick one like this or whatever. What you need to do is pick one where it really is like he's giving a statement, okay? There's a difference between just picking a random picture of Alex Jones and picking, like, a picture where he really looks like he is, high quality and looks like he's actually giving a response to YouTube. And that's a big deal. Like, just putting some random picture like this is, like, not as effective as putting a picture like this where it actually looks like he's giving a statement. So that's the thing. Actually, it was YouTube channel shut down. Alex Jones YouTube channel shut down. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, see, so this is what I was talking about. This video here was on top for a long time, but WWE Shoots video, that was above this. That was the #1 video. And so it took off like wildfire, and one of the main reasons why is because you need to catch a trend. You need to catch the trend as it's happening. So literally what happened was WWE Shoots, I believe. So, I looked at my phone and I saw it popped up in my notifications and it said Alex Jones YouTube channel deleted. And so instantly, so that was within the hour that it happened. So then what do? You find a video and then you post it. Boom, that quickly. So that way you're one of the first ones to post, which means everyone's typing that in, but there's no videos on it yet. So then they type it in, and they see your video, and it freaking skyrockets because obviously millions of people were looking that up on YouTube. All of his fans were looking for his channel because they were trying to find his videos, and so they're all typing that in, they're all finding my video, and boom, just skyrocketed. So making $2,000 on pretty much one video is pretty freaking cool. Not to mention, I think the bigger thing is the 8,000 subs, because now I've built a channel that went from nothing to 8,000 subs very, very quickly, and there's no videos on it now, so it's going to be in good shape for the future. And so, yeah, now I have 8,000 fans, and every time I post a video, boom. And so that's the thing you need to do. And I was using this as an example. It was simply an example. I built this, like, I don't need this channel. I have 3 other channels that make me 30 to 40,000 a month. This was for fun. This was, I see an opportunity. I have a channel that I'm not really using, and I don't want to jeopardize my other conspiracy channels because I knew it was going to get flagged, so I wasn't going to jeopardize it in any way. But, so that's the thing. I wasn't using this as an example of what you should post. I was not saying, and a lot of people on my Facebook group were getting confused about this. They're like, are you saying you should post Alex Jones videos? How come all the videos are gone? Videos are gone because they're getting flagged. Everyone knew that the videos were going to get flagged. That wasn't the point. The point was to show you guys that you need to find something similar to this, okay? So this is too controversial, okay? First of all, YouTube straight up deleted the guy. So obviously, if you post his videos, you're going to get deleted too. I mean, that's common sense. But the point was, don't tell me that from no subscribers and no, because a lot of students are, getting frustrated. They're like, how come I'm not getting views? How come I'm not getting subscribers? Don't tell me that it's not possible to grow a channel from nothing to something. Everyone always says, YouTube's oversaturated. There's too many videos. You can't grow a channel anymore. Bull crap, dude. Grow 9,000, freaking 5 million watch out minutes, freaking 9,000 subscribers, freaking 500,000 views in a day on one video and beat CNN in the rankings? Dude, it is possible. All you do is take my SEO tactics, the titles, the descriptions, the thumbnails, the tags, use it on a hot freaking topic, catch trends. You have to do a little bit of research to make these things happen, but as you can see, it grows, okay? And so, for those of you who are confused about this whole thing, you don't post Alex Jones videos. This was an example, okay? So that's why the videos aren't there anymore. It's pretty much common sense if you really sit down and think about it. I was seeing how quickly I could grow a channel to show you guys that it's possible. Now, what you do is find something similar to this that isn't as controversial, that won't get you taken down, that won't get you flagged, but will still get the views. And it's out there, guys. There's tons of ways to do it. That's how I do it. I don't just post a bunch of crap, okay? I look for opportunities like this one right here that I showed you guys. Okay, this was an opportunity and I took it and I made it happen and I made 2,000 freaking bucks in a couple days off of it. Okay, that's what I do. Okay, that's how I build channels. All right, so I try to make that clear, But, a lot of people are posting old stuff from 5 years ago still that everyone already knows about. That's not going to work. You need hot stuff. You need stuff that's going to, things that people are talking about. That's what you need. And if you can be the first to